Okay, for the third solution, we have the same functionality at server side. A just simple SOX proxy is running, but the client side we added the ton interface to the proxy that we have. So it could be you can use, I don't know, OpenConnect or OpenVPN because they natively support this ton and they have the ton and then a split tunnel. With Sandbox or any other proxies, I mean role-based proxies, we just add and we do not define the full route or the auto route, which means we have to update our command. You will see in a few minutes. So we are going to run this. When we add, we need the sudo command, or we have to create our town with the permission of the user that runs Sandbox. I didn't do that to not make it much more complex, just running it with sudo. So even I didn't change the IP to show this as a best practice, as a somehow knowing how it works. So the IP is 7280.1. We have to update our first. Let's check the 2080. So we have access. Yeah, let's run this. We have access to the network using proxy, and since we have the ton, I first deleted the replaced the 8010. We want to access it with the ton 0. Previously it was ton 5, right now it's ton 0. So IP route show the request to that machine should go with the ton 0. So grep ton 0. Why we don't have it? Because I just disabled the, so one more time adding it again. If we don't add it, it doesn't work. So right now we have access to that, and also we can run curl. You can see the request goes to the tunnel to the sandbox. Let's run the TCP dump here to fully monitor the request. The sandbox is going to deliver that, but uh, uh, the TCP dump doesn't show that because it's not a ICMP protocol, it's TCP port 80. Let's try it again. TCP port 80. Let's just remove the part that just we want to have a network in this. Still doesn't work. Strange. So any the while we have the response, TCP dump doesn't show any activity on this network, and that's strange. Probably just having the host. I should see something. It's a little bit host. Nothing. So the proxy is going to deliver that. Probably have to dig a little bit why it doesn't show the request. Probably it's because of the functionality of IP table configuration by Kubernetes. Anyway, it sends that request through the proxy with the help of the ton interface of the sandbox or any kind of proxy. If we had like the OpenVPN or OpenConnect, they would add this functionality, this remote access, the by itself by that OpenVPN configuration. So this is a little bit manual working, but still we are able to access a private network using a kind of proxy, which is really easy and simple to set up. But we should know this is not secure. A SOX 5 proxy is not secure. You should probably never use a SOX proxy to give access to your employee or remote access to a server. Probably for the test or demo or something like that, it's useful, but for a production critical application, this is not insecure. Don't do that. So that was the third solution to access a private network.